Alright, so this is my screen capture. To start off with, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. It's an assistive application that answers questions of all types. It's an AI generated transformer. It can help you solve math equations, and it'll show you the steps to get the answers. You can there's upgrades, and you can type into the text box and it will generate answers for you. So how to get logged in and signed up if you haven't already, you just sign up right here, or you can hit the login button, type in your information, and then it'll give you access to upload files and images and more advanced answers. And then to start by using, you're going to want to insert your question right here into the chat box and hit the send button, and it'll send it and generate you an answer. Or you can use one of these blocks right here, and it'll start a conversation and it'll help you just find interesting facts. So this is an example. I used the Amazon and asked it about ancient civilizations, and it asked me which one I wanted to learn about, and I typed the Amazon, and then it came up with a bunch of cool facts about it. And it's really good for research if you don't know where to start. So they have different upgrade plans available. So there's a free one that you can use. It has assistance with writing, problem solving, and more. And it's got cool advanced data analysis and file uploads that you can use. The next plan is a plus plan. It has early access to new features. It's got more advanced stuff that you can use and have access to. And then you can also create and use custom GPTs as well. And then the third one is a team plan. It's $25 per person per month, and there's a minimum of 2 people on the plan. You can create and share GPTs with your workspace, which is the other person or multiple people that you have on your plan. You can also have more access to different things and advanced answers. So this is an example of how I can go from geography, talking about the Amazon River and how long it is, and then I just randomly typed in a math question and it popped up with an answer. So good versus bad for education. I thought it was good to use for education because if students have a question, they can type it in really quick and find a quick answer for homeworks, or if they don't have access to a teacher or a lecture video or notes, they can just type it in and it'll show them. If it's a math question, for example, it'll show them step by step how to solve it. And then I thought it was bad for education because it can be used for academic misconduct such as cheating, and they can type in the questions and find the answers really quick instead of using their own knowledge and learning the material for themselves. So Pixabay is an example of a website you can use to find free images online. All you do is type in your search, whatever you're looking up for, in this text box right here, and different categories will pop up. It also requires little to no citations in order to use these images. In order to download the images onto your computer, all you have to do is choose one and right-click on the image that you want, and then a black toolbar will pop up, and you have to click on Save Image As or Copy Image in order to save it to your computer. And it's that simple. And then it will be in your downloads or your photos. So nextly, I'll talk about the 2 Creative Commons license that I chose. First, I chose CC by SA, which allows users free access to share and distribute material for any use, even commercial. The user must give proper credit to the creator, and they must also attach a link and make notes of any changes that they made. And they also must distribute the material under the same license as the original creator did. And then the second license I chose was CC BY. It allows users free access to share and adapt the materials as long as the proper credit is given to the original creator. They must also provide a link to the material and state if there were any changes made to the original plan.